Good morning, everybody. This is your girl, Sweebellajae. It is day 8 of the 30-day sewing challenge. Please forgive me. I am definitely under the weather, and I don't know what happened this morning, whether it was a panic attack or I don't know what, but my daughter's girlfriend, Tweety, brought it to my attention. I am waking up at the crack of dawn just about every single day. And it finally got to me this morning where I couldn't really speak correctly and nervous and off balance, everything. And she was like, go back to bed. And I needed to. I was so tired. And then plus I kept waking up throughout the middle of the night. So I figured, why not start our morning off with sewing? Something comforting and soothing. And I still don't feel like quite myself. And I'm nervous about that, because no one can understand your body better than you can. So I know something is wrong. What it is, what is it, I don't know. And to go to the emergency room without really truly letting them know what's going on, it's really, it's nerve-wracking, so to speak. But enough of that. We're gonna continue on with this bad boy. It looks like a birthday cake, doesn't it? So we're gonna try to see where we're gonna go with this, because I do like it. I do like it. It's different. I really do like it. It's definitely different. Not the norm of what I'm doing. And I don't know. So with that being said, let's continue on with this baby and let's see where it takes us, shall we? And thank you so much for joining me with this 30-day creation. It's like a test pilot program. You're gonna test things out to see what works and what doesn't. With that being said, let's turn on this bad boy. Let's move the camera down and let's get to sewing, shall we? Don't forget, right sides must face each other. cut this baby, shall we? Here we go. Oh, I love it. Prince! I love it. And now I am going to take my rotary cutter. I'm pressing hard on this, pressing firmly down so that this doesn't move. Press firmly down. Do not be afraid of cutting the cutting board. That's what it's for. As you press down, make sure your blade is against the grid. If not, it'll twirl away. Literally, I've cut somewhere else. Oops, I went off a little bit. Cut off a little bit off the side. Darn it. It slid off. Okay. So if I wanted to fix that, and I wanted to make, let's just say, another piece on here, a longer piece, then I would just find a longer strip to add on. But look how this looks. And you could tell where I messed up at. I already see it. Let's see where I'm off. So I'm off 1/4 of an inch. So we can fix that without a problem. So I am off but 1/4 of an inch. So that's okay. That's all right. That's what happens when you don't press firmly and get your grips with this baby. But overall, this is a 5 3/4 by 12. And look at it. This is what I'm trying to get through. I want to show you. I think this is beautiful. I think this is awesome. And if you really want to put in the sash, which is perfect, you can. Let's see if we can get a 12-inch sash. I'm saying stash. A sash that's long enough for this baby. I have so many. I don't know. Where's the original one? We can use this. So now we have something beautiful. And this is just about, if you really want to make it a 12 by 17, I mean a 6 by 12 without a problem, all you have to do is, once again, make sure that you position it correctly. 12 by 17 overall. Okay. Playing around with this rotary cutter is definitely a challenge for me. Here we go. A 12 by 17. I mean, excuse, 6 by 12 completed. 6 by 12 completed. This is interesting. Isn't it beautiful?